Welcome to the new Kids Corner. Hi friends, let's learn about the letter Q. Q is the 17th letter in the English alphabet and it is classified as a consonant letter. Here is a letter Q in uppercase. It is also known as a big or capital letter. Now we are going to write uppercase Q. Start with the top and go all the way to the left like a letter O. Then go to up the bottom and make a line down to the right. Now you try. Here is a letter Q in lowercase. It is also known as a small or simple letter. Now we are going to write lowercase q. Start with the middle and go around to the left like the small letter C. Then go back up to the middle, then straight down below the bottom. Now you try. Shall we learn words starting with letter Q? Q is for Q-tips. Q is for QR code. Q is for quack. Q is for quad. Q is for quadrangle. Q is for quadruplets. Q is for quagmire. Q is for quahaw. Q is for quail. Q is for quantity. Q is for quawa. Q is for quarrel. Q is for quarry. Q is for quarter. Q is for quartz. Q is for quaver. Q is for quay. Q is for queen snake. Q is for queen. Q is for quern. Q is for quesadilla. Q is for quest. Q is for question. Q is for quetzal. Q is for Q. Q is for quiche. Q is for quick. Q is for quicksand. Q is for quiet. Q is for quill. Q is for quilt. Q is for quince. Q is for quindim. Q is for quinoa. Q is for quit. Q is for quiver. Q is for quiz. Q is for quokka. Q is for quoll. Q is for quote. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Love your venue.